This weekend, I'm going with our scout troop down to Red River Gorge in Kentucky. And it's a 3-day trip. The local schools have off on Friday. So we're going to leave early, probably 7 a.m. Friday morning, and drive the 4 hours down to Kentucky. We'll pick up John's dad's son along the way in Cincinnati. He's going to join us on this trip. And we're going to eat lunch at the car. So everybody has to bring their own lunch to eat there. And we'll then hike about 4 miles up to Hanson's Point. The next day, about 8 miles from Hanson's Point over to Clouds Rest or in that vicinity. And then Sunday, 4 miles back to the car. So I get, 15 to 20 miles of hiking in. Got a good mix of scouts and adults. And I'm just going to share some of the stuff I'm going to take with me, both equipment and food. Here's my food laid out by day. Here's Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Now Friday we're leaving early in the morning, so there's nothing for breakfast. We'll eat at home. Nothing for lunch, because we're going to bring our own lunches pre-packed, whatever they want to eat. My afternoon snacks, rhubarb fruit leather, my coconut treats, and a daily Snickers. For dinner, Idahoan roasted garlic potatoes with added cheese powder. It's also in there is dehydrated shredded chicken. And for dinner, high test hot chocolate, full of calories with some added dried milk to give it some creamier flavor. Saturday morning, I'm going to get up and have some cold soaked oatmeal. I'm going to throw in some of my trail mix, which is a little bit spicy for some crunch and flavor. And I'll drop in some brown sugar too for taste and for sugar, energy. For Saturday morning snacks, I'm going to have my dried pineapple rings and dried apple rings for snacks. For lunch, tortillas with peanut butter. I also have some almond butter in there. Got some of my trail mix for the afternoon snack. Some applesauce and cherry fruit leather. And of course the daily Snickers. For dinner, barbecued chicken. It's like chili, but you make it with dried shredded chicken and it's regular spaghetti sauce, except for some parts of it is barbecue sauce. It's real tasty. Again, because the temperatures are going to be going into the 20s Fahrenheit, it's going to definitely be below freezing. I've got some more hot chocolate. Now for the morning, on Sunday when we hike out 4 miles back to the cars, just Pop-Tarts. But take a look at all of the food I got planned here for Saturday. I'm going to have some stuff left over, and that's the plan. That's my food. What do you think?